Hi there, I'm Jonathan from Brokk. We've been working on the Brokk Power Ranking to measure the coding ability of large language models for the last couple weeks. And so when OpenAI dropped GPT-OSS today, we were well positioned to put it through its paces and see what it could do. First of all, here's what OpenAI wants you to think about GPT-OSS. They released a blog post with a bunch of benchmarks on it with nice visuals like this. And of those benchmarks, only one of them, only this one, was coding related. And this shows GPT-OSS doing virtually as well as O3 and O4 Mini on this Codeforces benchmark. Uh, so we put it through our own tests, and we found something fairly different. So you can see O4 Mini is second from the left here. This is just a subset of the models that we're testing in the full power ranking. But I thought these are interesting comparisons for GPT OSS since three of them are also open weight models. And then we also have O4 Mini and Flash 2.0 just as kind of comparison points that everyone's familiar with. So GPT OSS is all the way in the back of the pack. It does slightly better than Flash 2.0 on average, but not as well as Flash 2.0's best attempts. So this is where we've averaged the results of doing best of three across the open round set of tasks in the power ranking. So how do we resolve this discrepancy between what Brokk is measuring and what OpenAI measured? Well, I think one clue is if you look at the OpenAI model card, they actually have other coding benchmarks in here, but they did not show those on the introduction post because GPT OSS doesn't look nearly as good. So Aider Polyglot is another independent benchmark. And to put these numbers in context, a score of 16, like that's really low. Like nothing you've actually heard of does that poorly. Like it's that low. Flash 2.0 is about 18 on Aider Polyglot. And then if we go up to a score of 25-ish, that's right around where Claude 3.5 Haiku sits. In the low 30s, that's about GPT 4.1 Mini, and in the mid 40s, actually in the high 40s, the old December version of DeepSeek v3 was in the high 40s, and the new March version, I don't remember if that's high 50s or low 60s, but it's improved about another 10 points. So even OpenAI's own numbers that are buried a little bit in the academic paper are showing that the GPT-OSS is not actually all that, which is disappointing because there's a lot of cool things about it, like being able to run the 20 billion parameter model on virtually any consumer graphics card or most Macs with their unified RAM design. Make sure to subscribe because next week we'll release the full Brokk Power Ranking, including another dozen language models and featuring more task datasets for the finalists. So subscribe if you don't want to miss it.